Hello, it's your boy Miguel from the Motor Mechanic 757. You know, I get down and get straight to the point. Working on a Ford Fusion, changing out one of the headlights. It is a stinker, but it could be done without tearing the whole entire car apart and the whole entire bumper. You don't have to drop it off, but I drop off the side that needs to be done. This is the driver's side. What you would do is you will come down, and then there are some bolts. They're going to have a plastic cover, and they're going to be little 7mm bolts that you're going to be yanking off. It's going to be all around here. Once you get that cover yanked off, you push it back, and then there's going to be 8mm bolts. One here and one here, and here's a push clip. You just pop that off when you have it off. Then on the very bottom, you're going to have some more little 7mm bolts. You're going to go all the way to the bottom and pop that off just enough. Then you're going to pull the bumper towards you. But before you do that, you have another cover with these push pins on it, which sits right across here. Get that off. Then you're going to have some little bolts right here and there. You're going to yank off. From there, you're going to take the two 10mm bolts off right here, and you're going to have one Allen bolt, which is going to, hex bolt. That's going to be, let's see, for me it was a T25. Once I did all that, I took my hand right here and pushed this piece right down and disabled it. Just pull it right out. That's the whole entire harness. Once I did that, I had just enough room to pull completely back, everything back. As you can see, it's nice and loose. Then I had another 10mm bolt sitting right under the headlight, and now the headlight is ready to come out. I'm not going to be able to do it with one hand because I have to finagle the bumper out of the way, but that's how you get it off. It should take you less than half an hour. And if you don't know what you're doing, you can actually see the mounting points. One here, two there, and then you got one directly right there. And you can see part of it, the clip right there. Pull all that out, pull out the headlight, change the headlight. If half of it's working, just change the whole assembly. It's one unit. It's not like it's different wires. All the wires are on the inside, but it's controlled by one main wire. So I'm going to replace the whole thing. The headlight had a crack in it, and it's just not working. With that being said, if you like this video, please like, subscribe, share, and follow. Thank you.